Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the golden greed plate boots in Crimson Desert. Now first things off, this is pretty much my location on the map close by to the Red River Cliff Watchtower. Now do be careful around this area because this is pretty much infested with wolf trackers. Now if I zoom out, you should see me right around the south direction of Crimson Desert as you can see right here, or just to the southwest of Tashkalp town, right over to this direction. Now, once you've reached close by to the watchtower right here, you should see a waterfall right there to the front. Now, there is going to be an entrance right down there. I do apologize since it's currently raining, so you can't really see much. There is a cave entrance right there in between those big rocks. So let me just glide down there. All right, now once you've managed to reach this area, you should be able to see this cave right here. And just to the left is pretty much a blockaded entrance, as you can see right here. Now you are going to require the focused force palm technique for you to be able to get to this area. Now let me just hold down my X and then try to do a focus force palm. And when you see the orb behind this light up, you release it to destroy it. Once you've done that, you can just enter into the cave and find the treasure chest right here. Now this is pretty much the stats for the golden greed plate with 2 abyss gears already attached to it, and it has a refinement of level 4. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the golden greed plate boots in Crimson Desert.